a beginner friendly makeup with this eyeshadow palette. So just in case you have an eyeshadow palette, you know, I'm just going to create something, a simple eyeshadow look that, you know, anybody can be. Oh god, look at hey. Basically I'm creating a simple beginner friendly cut crease. So yeah, because we love our cut creases. So if you want to see how I create my cut crease, keep on watching. I'm going to go off camera to do one eye of the cut crease, and I will come back and show you guys the second eye of this cut crease. So I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so this is one eye done. I'm just going to do this eye for you guys. So first off, you always have to prime your eyes. So to prime my eyes, I'm just going to be going into my Revolution concealer. So I'm just going to apply first shade I'm going to go into. You can choose to set your concealer, or you can choose not to set your concealer, but most times if you really want your eyeshadows to like stick very well on your face, there's no need to set it. So today I'm not going to be setting my concealer. So the first shade I'm going to go into is this shade called Try Me. So that is going to act as my transition color. So basically concentrating it on your crease line. So that is this part where you have that bend is called the crease line. So just concentrating that color there. So just build up the color very well into that crease line. If you do like this, you'll be able to see the crease line very well. So basically that's junction between your eyelid and here. So once that crease color is done, I'm just going to, still with that same blending brush, you don't need to have so many brushes, so still with that same blending brush, I'm going to go into this shade called Booked and Busy. So basically you just want to go into shades that are somewhat close to each other when you're doing transition colors. So I'm just going to now place it, the first shade I placed it on top of the crease line. So now this one I'm going to place it inside the line. So basically just dig your brush into that hole. Just let your brush enter into the hole here. So dig your brush in and just sweep the color into that hole. So when you do that, it doesn't pass, you know, it won't pass the main eye, if that makes any sense. So yeah, so sweep the brush in. Then I'm still going to take that same color and just sweep it on the outside, so this lower part of my eye. So basically you have swept it, then you are now taking it inside. You can even open your eyes so that you can really see where your crease line is. So take it in. So once I'm done with that shade, this is transition shades gone. You can always choose to go with only just one shade for transition color, but to just make it look nicer, it's always nice to go in with two shades. So now once that is done, I'm going to take this dark brown shade here. So this shade called Jet Setter, and you can still use that same blending brush. Like, so now this dark shade is just going to be outside here. This is just to create that smokiness that we always hear about. So I'm just going to only on the outside, I'm not dragging it inside, just concentrating that dark brown color here, so you can see how it is. So now going back into that first brush that we used, I'm now going to now just blending it a little bit so it doesn't look out of place. So just brushing that brown a little bit, so you can see. So you can see how the color is. So now to do the crease part, this is the part where people tend to like get what's the word, get or fail or miss to do this crease. So basically get your concealer and place a little concealer here. Then what you do is just open your eye and look up. So once you look up, it is going to give you the spot where your cut crease should stop. So do that, do another one again. It will give you where your cut crease will stop. Just keep doing that, placing small dots, and it will show you where your cut crease should stop. So you can see that it has already given me kind of like a line. So just basically taking any brush you have, now connect with tapping motions, just connect the lines together. So make sure you don't pass the line that you have given yourself. So just keep tapping till you have connected all the lines together. So you see, there you have cut your crease. So you can, if you're an expert, you can always do the option of just using, but if you're a beginner, this is the best method for doing cut crease. So just place a little concealer, look up, then do that like 3 times, one in the middle of the eye, one here and one here. So that should give you a trace line for you to follow to make your cut crease. So now for my lid color, I'm just going to go into these 2 gold shades. You can use any color you want to use, it can always be a matte look, it can be a shimmery look. So today I'm just going to be doing a shimmery look. So I'm just going into those 2 gold shades and basically patting the color where I have my concealer. So you can see they look equal. So now to blend the edge, I'm just going to go into this black shade here, because we don't like, you can see how there's this sharp line there, you don't want that. So taking that black, just going to blend, and this black will further intensify the smoky eye, so it looks really smoky. So just blend that black towards the edge. So you see how smoky is making your eye look. So once that is done, go back into the first brush that you used for your cut crease and just drag that in, so it doesn't look out of place. So you see, so that is your simple how to create a cut crease, like simple, no fuss, no stress, and you can see that the cut creases are on the same level. So guys, I'm just going to quickly do the rest of my makeup, then I will come back and then we will wrap up this video. So I'll be right back. So guys, this is the final look. I went off camera, I did every single thing. So as you can see, the cut crease for beginners is quite easy. It's, if you follow these steps that I showed you, you won't have a problem with creating a cut crease for yourself. So guys, this is also the end of my review for the Patricia Bright Rich in Life palette. I really love this eyeshadow palette, it is so nice. One thing I would say about the eyeshadow palette is that it has a lot of fallout, so be expecting a lot of fallout when you use this eyeshadow palette. But aside from that, the colors are pigmented, like the shadows are just amazing. The shadows are beautiful. So guys, yeah, I don't know if it's available in Nigeria yet, but if it is, I'll probably put a link in my description box if it's available in Nigeria, but I didn't buy it here in Nigeria. So yeah, if you're abroad, you know, you can always buy it in all these drugstores and whatnot. So yeah, so I really love this palette. Like, I would give it an 8/10, just cause, like, why would I want to give it a 9/10, even though it's worth it? But yeah, I would give this palette an 8/10 because it's so nice. So guys, yeah, this is my beginner's cut crease and my review of the Patricia Bright Rich in Life palette. If you found this tutorial helpful, please do let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this cut crease look. You can opt to skip the dramatic lashes, you know, and do whatever you want. But yeah, if you are going to try and recreate this look, please do let me know in the comment section. And please, when you are recreating the look, be sure to tag me in your pictures so I can like your pictures and, you know, repost. And yeah, so guys, this is my tutorial for today, and this is my review for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, you know. Yeah. Until my next video, guys, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye.